Balik mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live, pipila ka buwan na taubos sa community quarantine, labing napiktuhan gyud mga negosyo, mga negosyante ug mga empleyado mismo. Karong buntaga, mangumusta ta mga kapuso sa estado sa pagnegosyo dinhi sa dakbayan sa Cebu ug sa Cebu Province. Makauban nato ang presidente sa Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Felix Tagyam. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nico. Thank you for inviting me to the show, to the live show.
Thank you so much. Daghan kayong salamat, sir, sa pag-uban po namo despite your hectic schedule. Sir, the city has already transitioned from ECQ to MECQ. Unsay kabag-uhan ani sa business aspect atong hisgutan, sir?
Now, to be honest, no, transiting into MECQ will mean na the reopening of the economy back to the businesses of Cebu, no, especially the medium and micro, small and medium enterprise, no. But we have to make sure na this time around ang kaning opening should be of gradual opening. Then the report, because it is so important, because we don't want what happened during the GCQ time nato na pag-abli, ni daghan man noon ang mga problema nato ni gawas. Then that's why the IATF came, si General Simato came. So right now, we should be very careful na in the reopening of the big economy back to Cebu, no? Especially ang atong mga empleyado that are coming back to work without after a long absence ba, no? Now we have to be safe na yun, no? Then we still have the situation of the mass transport is still a huge problem, but as along we go, I am sure the government, the LGU, the province will open up the transport, the mass transport on a slow scale but on a safe way.
It has been 4 months na, sir, since aning atong community quarantine sa declaration sa public health emergency. Kumusta na atong business sector karong panahonan? How are we coping up, sir?
Well, business owners now are more concerned about the safety of the returning workers. Tinood, it has been 4 months. We have to make sure also that the owners has to be prepared also in the workplace, no? Like, we want that kanang iyang empleyado musud sa ilang tindahan, muntik mingle ra ba sa atong mga kliyente. So the wearing of masks, no, the social distancing, the work safe environment, the washing of hands, no, everything should be in place before we will come back to work. Mo na akong i-suggest yun.
Kanang ingon sa uban, sir, nga how do you balance kuno ang, of course, primary consideration atong health and safety sa atong mga employees ug mga tao, ug ang consideration pod kining pag-open up gyud sa economy.
We have to live and coexist with the virus. No, di na nato na pwede, let's say, okay na ta, so na ta sa business. Now, what we have to do now is that we have to learn from our mistakes also, no? Once that we are in, we don't leave to second chance na naay something hitabo, especially our employees will be interacting with our clients, no? And madaot na basta ng pangalan sa businesses if ever kung unsay mitabo.
Sir, can we already quantify, sir, diri ra ato particularly sa Cebu City, mga establishments nga labihang naapektuhan, mga losses nato, kisko tag manpower, sir, mga nawad-an pog trabaho?
Well, reality, no, that is a very tough question to answer, no. But what we know, losses are very high, taas yun, no. Daghan mga negosyante naglisod yun. Under MECQ, there are more businesses that will open, but gradual opening. Mas mayo dili idungan, kay kung idungan ba di nga ka-control, we'll do it like 50%, then after a month, maybe we go higher to 75%, then we go to the next stage.
Kamo, sir, sa CCCI, unsay support pod gihatag ninyo, labi na maingon ta apektado gyud kaayo kay mga MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises?
In the form of loans, then although we still need to get all the pertaining papers, the BPI, the SEC papers, the LGU business permit, and etc. And we will, then the chamber, if it is a chamber member, mo endorse man me na about this to the Philippine Chamber. Then it has a very good term loan na siya.
So on another note, how will you assess the local government's actions or mga moves against this pandemic sa mga gibuhat sa gobyerno? Si tanaw ninyo from your end sa mga negosyante.
Everybody will have to work together. Let's set aside partisan
considerations,
politics,
politics
or politics or whatever. No, na, I think this is high time that we all have to bundle together. Let's help each other. Get this out una. And then let's see what we will do. No, we need everybody's cooperation from the highest level even to the barangay level. No?
Magtinabangay lang yun, sir, bali.
Tinabangay ta. No, we all heal as one. Let's all heal as one.
Finally, sir, unsay mensahe nimo gusto nimo paabot sa atong katawhan, sa atong mga negosyante, mga trabahante sa pud mismo apektado karon?
Let's all help each other. Let's heal as one. Help Cebu. We will be back. We will stand and come back again alive. Thank you.
And on that note, thank you so much for your words. Nagpasalamat pigdako sa imong pag-uban na kanamo karong buntaga, CCCI President Mr. Felix Tagyam. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nico.